In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notification settings in Wrike. Keeping your Wrike notifications under control is really important. Otherwise, your inbox can quickly get overwhelmed. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to the right place in Wrike, adjust your email preferences, and then fine-tune exactly which updates you want to be notified about. Start by opening Wrike and heading into your main workspace. From there, look toward the top right area of the screen for the account or profile section that's highlighted in this guide. Go ahead and click on that highlight to open your account menu. This is where Wrike keeps all of your personal settings, including notifications. In the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open a new page or tab with your account configuration options. On the left-hand side, you'll see several sections. Look for the one labeled Email Preferences and click on it. Wrike may show you a short informational message or overlay about how email notifications work. If you see that, simply click Got it to dismiss it and continue. Now you're in the main email preferences area. This is where you can decide what types of emails Wrike should send you. After making any changes here, remember that you'll need to save them, so keep an eye out for the Save Changes button toward the bottom of the page. Next, click on Notification Settings. This lets you control notifications more precisely. If you have multiple email addresses linked, select the email you actually use for Wrike notifications. In the example shown in the guide, a specific email is selected. In your case, choose your own primary address. Once you've selected it, look for the section called Task, Project, and Folder Updates. Click on that to open the list of detailed options. Here, you'll see several toggles or checkboxes shown as highlights in the guide. These control things like when a report is shared with you or delivered on a schedule, and whether you receive emails when the date, assignee, or status of a task is changed. Work through each highlighted option and turn on or off the notifications that make sense for how you work. A good tip is to start with just the most important updates, then add more later if you find you're missing information. You'll also see options like Send Risk Report. Click on these to enable or disable risk-related notifications, depending on whether you want regular summaries of potential issues. When you're happy with your choices, scroll down and click Save Changes. Wrike will apply your new notification settings, and from now on, you should receive only the updates that are most useful to you.